Email verification failed on ETRADE Fix. If your ETRADE account isn't verifying your email, most people assume it's a system error. The surprising truth is that email verification failures are often caused by simple issues like typos, spam filters, or outdated account information. The solution is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. ETRADE verification emails are sometimes automatically filtered, so make sure to search thoroughly. Step 2. Ensure the email address in your ETRADE account is correct. Even a small typo can block verification. If needed, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add no reply trade cam to your contacts or save sender list. This helps prevent future emails from being filtered or lost. Step 4. Request a fresh verification email from the ETRADE website or mobile app. Avoid multiple requests at once, as this can temporarily delay the process. Finally, enable two-factor authentication once your email is verified. This provides extra security and ensures you receive all important account notifications promptly. By following these steps, you can resolve ETRADE email verification issues quickly, regain full access to your account, and manage your investments securely. Proper email management is essential for a smooth and safe ETRADE experience.